Hello everyone, I'm Michelle Litwiller with Owl Star Stampers, and I just wanted to hop on real quick and share with you the ultimate bundle, which is our starter kit. And why am I doing that now in particular is because I wanted to share with you what a great deal it is to join Stampin' Up! January 5th through the end of February. So February 28th, this is 2021. So during this time frame, if you want to join my team, Stampin' Up! Has a really great deal on their starter kit. So if you love Stampin' Up! Products, or you are just getting into Stampin' Up! And want to get a bunch of products, or maybe you've been around a long time, but there's a brand new catalog and you want to get a whole bunch of stuff and get it a little bit cheaper and some free paper that I'm going to show you in a minute, this is for you. So let me tell you a little bit of the details, and I have a little mock-up kit that is a potential kit that you could put together. So our starter kit is $99 and free shipping. You do pay tax, so $99 plus tax, free shipping. What do you get for that? You get to pick out $125 of products of your choice. So whatever you want for $125, you get to pick, but remember, you only pay $99 in tax. You are going to get, this is the only time we ever really get free shipping, so take advantage of that. And then during Sale-A-Bration, Stampin' Up! Is throwing in 5 brand new packs of designer series paper. So these packs of paper will be in our next annual catalog, and you're going to get them now free. This is over a $60 value. We have the subtles, a whole pack. There's 48 sheets, I believe, in here. Is that 48? No, 40, sorry. There's 40 sheets of paper in here. So we have the subtles, we have the brights, we have the in color. These are the current in color, the 2020 to 2022. And then the regals and the neutrals. So you get all 5 packs of these as a bonus for signing up during Sale-A-Bration 2021 from January 5th through the end of February. Okay, so what I did is I grabbed some of my favorite things that perhaps you might want to get in a starter kit. So let me show you. The other thing you get is you're going to get a free paper pumpkin. This is a $22 value as well. I picked some of my things I'm most excited about that are in our new mini catalog. So I put in the new Ice Cream Corner Designer Series paper. This is a 12 by 12 pack. You can tell I've been playing with it, but this is an awesome pack of paper. And then I put in the bundle. So the stamp set and the punch. Let me grab the punch. So, and then I put in the ribbon that coordinates with that, sweet, and the little confetti sprinkles. And then in your starter kit, you can put the Dragonfly Garden stamp set and punch. And then you can put on the coordinating paper and the ribbon and the little ladybug trinkets. So all of this, plus you'll even have enough left over to get a package of mini glue dots to put all your ribbons and bows down. And that leaves you with, this is $124. So you still have $1 left over, but there you don't have anything. So you can go up to $125. You can't go over on your starter kit. So this is 2 full bundles with lots of coordinating product that you could add in your kit, for an example. Again, you can pick anything you want in your starter kit. You're also going to get some catalogs sent to you and order forms in case that you need those or would like to use them. But that is our ultimate bundle that you can get for the next 2 months. So if you are interested in that, I would love to help you out. I would also love to tell you just a little bit about my team. So after you buy the starter kit, the ultimate bundle, you're going to get 20% off all your future orders. So that's a great perk in itself if you love Stampin' Up! Products. You also can join my Owl Star Stamper team. A lot of us are here in Michigan, but a lot of us are spread out all over the U.S. So you can be anywhere in the U.S. and still be a part of our team. We have a private team Facebook page where we post lots of creative challenges. We do business challenges. Everything's optional, but it's a lot of fun. We just did a card swap, and so anybody can participate in And we also do monthly team meetings. Today I just did a team meeting and we made 4 different cards using the berry blessings and the sweet strawberry. And so I posted all those cards on our team page, and again, we do a Zoom meeting so anyone can join. We also do other fun things throughout the year that you get to participate in. My team also gets all of my class tutorials for free. So I email those out to them so they don't have to purchase them, and they have access to them as well. And lastly, if you are interested in doing Stampin' Up! As a business or running classes or holding a class, I am more than happy to help you share what I've learned along the way and to assist you in that as well. So we have a lot of fun. I love my team. They are, again, like I said, so much fun. We have become such great friends, and we would love to invite you into our team as well. So if you are interested in taking advantage of this great ultimate bundle, then let me know, and I would love to connect with you and have you join our team.